In the intro, section number 1, what do we need? Guiding questions for sure. Describe the task, right?
Background information.
Background information such as, be a little more specific.
Define a hominid. Define a hominid.
Okay. Alright, what's a hominid? Okay, so prior knowledge about the topic. So what kind of things are we going to draw on? Alright, evolution. Natural selection, for sure. Any other topics that we're going to draw on prior knowledge?
Speciation.
Species, okay.
What is a species?
Anything else you can think of that we're going to draw?
Well, yeah.
All of that stuff relates back to that guiding question. We want to tie it all together. Alright. So, section 2. Our method. What type of information are we going to need in section 2?
And how it helps us answer the guiding question.
Okay. Alright, so you said what kind of experiment you ran. Did you run an experiment?
No.
Okay, a systematic observation is not an experiment.
Right.
Two
It's a
different
systematic.
Did you guys do an interpretation?
I said it was
Okay, so where did the data come from? Were you just given all the data?
No,
We have
I said the data came from the data chart.
Okay, so you had to systematically observe the skulls, for sure, and you had to collect and interpret the data, alright? But I'm not sure that we were doing an experiment, right? So we weren't controlling variables and manipulating. Alright. Yes, ma'am. You have a question?
I don't know if this is, I may or may not go in your argument, but you explain how your evidence kind of helps answer the guiding question. But
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that's
You
in your
might,
argument.
yeah, you might want to save that for section 3, right?
Good effort.
Pieces you need in your argument. Okay, need an evidence blurb. Yep. You for sure need a claim, right? Probably before the evidence. Right? And what's the toughest part? Just need to include that last part.
Justify your evidence.
So you
Justify
allow.
your evidence.
There you go.
Good job there.
Daryl.
Alright, so we have to justify the evidence, right? What is the point of the justification? What are you trying to do there?
Not prove, don't do things.
Okay, so maybe show why your evidence is important. Okay, this justification, right, also needs to link back, right? It needs to link back to this stuff that you've included in the introduction. Right, so you guys said that evolution and natural selection are important, right? That might be a way that you can actually justify the evidence that you collected, right? In the context of this particular activity, what thing do you think is going to serve as the evidence? Yeah, okay? So in this case, you guys were constructing a phylogenetic tree, right? That was showing those relationships that you guys determined, right? So that's the evidence that's going to help support your claim, right? Do I have anything else you want to add to the list?
Talk about other groups.
Talk about other groups, okay?
Phylogenetic tree.
Okay, so I compare your tree to others' trees.
Oh, explain on areas.
When we actually put our tree like in the paper, should we do a picture of it? Cause
I don't really know how to make lines.
I was gonna do it on paint, you know, like
Yeah.
make the lines, but I didn't know if that's how it was.
That would be awesome if you could do it like that. Word has some little drawing tools and stuff
Okay.
that you can use. That would be awesome as well, but I imagine a very neatly hand-drawn one would be what it is.
Okay.
I just included the class data chart because I didn't want to. I included the class data chart because I didn't really want to make a whole tree. But I took out, like, I just kind of had what we referenced because we didn't use, like, all of the data to, like, explain how they're related, but we only used some. So my chart is the same, it's just kind of missing columns.
Okay, as long as you made sense of it and explained the relationship, right? So as long as your claim answers that guiding question, right, then you'll be okay. But that'll be up to your peers to decide if it worked out. Okay. Anything else? All right, good deal.